I have tried millions of products, it feels like, in my lifetime, and I'm just gonna tell you how this has changed the game for me and my skin. Bliss has released their starter kit, and this is all you need for healthy, hydrated skin. First step in our starter kit is this baby, the Fab Foaming Cleanser. It is a 2-in-1 exfoliator and cleanser. It has these bamboo buffers that help get rid of like dead skin and impurities, and then the gentle cleanser underneath that will leave your skin not only radiant and smooth, but not dry. So this is good for all skin types. It's good to use daily. I love any sort of 2-in-1 product, a one-stop shop. It's time for the next step, which is the Drench and Quench moisturizer. I'm gonna tell you why I love this product so much. So it's an intense moisturizer, but it starts off like this thick cream that we're used to, but it transforms into this like watery-like texture. So it feels so light and easy on your skin, yet you're still getting this really beautiful, strong hydration, but it's not leaving you greasy. Next in the lineup is the I Do All Things Brightening Eye Gel. It tightens, it brightens, it depuffs, and then it has also this stainless steel roller ball. So it allows you to gently massage the product into the area, really getting it hydrated, really bringing some circulation